Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Structure passing through the extensor, retinaculum, compartments. So what does it include? First is the compartment number 1. So the structures passing through them will be the APL, that is abductor pollicis longus, as well as the EBP, that is the extensor pollicis brevis. The second one will include the ECRL, the extensor carpi radialis longus, and the ECRB, that is extensor carpi radialis brevis. Next, moving on to the third variety. The third is it includes the extensor pollicis longus, EPL. And what about the fourth one? The fourth, it includes the ED, extensor digitorum, extensor indicis, posterior interosseous nerve, as well as the anterior interosseous artery. Lastly, the fifth and the sixth. The fifth, it includes the extensor digiti minimi. So 5 fingers, so it's minimi. And then 6. The 6th is, what does it include? It includes ECU, carpi ulnaris. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.